Good afternoon, friends. In last video, just for some reason it is just blocked. I'm telling about these points again. That I will be continue with the last video only. That is, I'm giving the name as part one and part two. Just I'm going to discuss this last video. I'm just discontinued till the point two. Just I'm going to discuss now. That is, I'm discussing transparent communication system between the management and the employees. This is the second point. And third point, ensuring fair treatment to the whistleblower. Okay, you are watching this. So in next one, a reason for unethical behavior. What is the reason why the employees or people will behave in an unethical way, or what is the reason? So that is the are discussing here. First point is emphasis on short term result. Okay, short term result, organization or some management people will see only short term results for that they will behave or not in ethical way, they will behave in unethical way. Okay, emphasis on short term results. Okay, second point is overlooking ethical lapses. Overlooking means they will overlooking ethical lapses. There is a lot of lacks, or a lot of problems will come. They won't follow the ethical way, they will follow unethical way, or they don't have aware about the ethical points, or they are not aware about what is the profit will be gain in the organization or in the company or in the business due to ethical behavior. They don't have that proper education or proper awareness, so overlooking ethical lapses. Third one, economic cycle. Economic cycle means what is related to economically, like profitability, loss. That cycle, it will continue the same in the organization, so they will follow in the same way. That one only they are telling ethical cycle, sorry, economical cycle. And fourth one is accounting rules. Fourth one is accounting rules. You can see here accounting rules. One second, I will make it big. Accounting rules, you can see here. Fourth one. So reasons for unethical behavior. There are 4 points. Emphasis on short-term result, overlooking ethical lapses, economic cycle, and accounting rules. Now in third arrow we can see fundamental principle relating to the ethics. In book also I discussed, so I am just going to read the points. You can see here integrity, objectivity. Third one, confidentiality. So fourth one, professional competence due to care of financing and accounting professional to keep updating their knowledge. Okay. So fifth one is professional behavior. These points will come here. So fundamental principles relating to ethics. Fundamental principle relating to ethics: integrity, honesty, and straightforwardness while discharging their duties. Objectivity, stick to their professional and financing judgment, should not allow bias, conflicting interest on undue influence of others to override their business judgment. Confidentiality, professional competence due to care, finance, and accounting professionals must keep updating their knowledge. And next one, you can see this professional behavior, comply with comply with laws and regulation, avoid actions which damages the regulation of their bringing dishonor to the profession. Okay, so next video I will discuss the next part, that is the, you can see here, I will just make it small. Next point I will going to discuss created by professions, legislations or regulations, training. This point, and one more point I am going to discuss. You are watching CMA Leaf channel. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, that is a CMA Leaf. For more updates, click on bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Bye.